Today I'm going to show you how to build in Enshrouded. It's going to be a quick covering of the basics. This won't teach you how to make impressive structures, but it will teach you how to start the process of making structures. Hopefully, if you don't know how to do it, this guide will be a little helpful to you. If you want to discuss in the comments how to build better in this game, you're more than welcome to, but this will be a basic tutorial. Okay, so to start off, you're going to need yourself a construction hammer. So, I'm going to go ahead and open the bag here and look at the hammer real quick. It's this item right here. You'll see that you can hit tab to enter the building mode while using the construction hammer. So to make a construction hammer, you're going to need one simple item. You'll notice it's right here in the crafting section under essentials right near the top. It will require one stone. So all you have to do is go out here and find some stone. You can just find it lying around. Just press E to collect it right off the ground there if you don't know how to already. Perfect. You won't need to collect anything else, just one stone. Press V, or whatever your button is, to go into crafting. Select construction hammer, and then hit craft, or whatever your button is, to craft. That easy. And you got a construction hammer. Alright, so the next step will be to set down a flame altar. To make a flame altar, you'll notice above the construction hammer in the crafting section, click flame altar, require 5 stone. Go ahead and craft one of those from the stone we've collected. You may need to craft, grab a little more stone yourself. There you go. You'll want to place a flame altar down. You have a limited number of flame altars per world. Just drag it over to your hotbar here. Make sure you select it there, like that. And you just place the altar wherever you want. You'll notice there's a radius around it where you can build in. It's that orange line in the distance, the reddish orange line. Right now it says cannot place more altars because we've maxed out the number of altars, but I'll show you what an altar looks like in case you haven't seen one already. And here is a placed flame altar. You'll notice you'll be able to press E to commune with it and upgrade it to extend its building range. It will require shroud cores, flame, etc. You can also use it to reset your skill points as well. You can extinguish the flame to remove it, so be careful with that one. But you'll notice, once you're inside, you can bring out your construction hammer in your hotkey slot by selecting it, whatever key you have it for, and you'll be able to see the red line around the altar. It's up there on the rocks, if you didn't notice, and that means we can build inside of it. This one's been upgraded, so we have a much bigger radius. So to start building, you'll just press the tab button, whatever you have selected there. You'll notice at the bottom, right above the hotbar, it says tab, enter building mode, whatever that button is next to it. If not tab, that's the button you press. Press tab, and you'll notice this comes up like a little map. You'll notice on the top, the right hand side, closer to the top, it has materials. You will need to craft materials at the workbench. I can show you how to do that in just a moment. But once you have those materials, you'll be able to place these here, whatever shape you have selected on the bottom. Go over that momentarily as well. Let's go ahead and get some materials here real quick. Press tab to leave that. We'll go over to our workbench here. If you don't know how to make a workbench, it's in the crafting section under flame altar. Will require string and wood logs. You can basically just cut down trees for the wood logs, and you can gather plant fibers for make crafting string here under resources. Requires 3 plant fiber each. Make yourself a workbench. We have a video as well for some of those things if you don't know how to find them, such as the string, on our channel as well. So when you're at the workbench, once you've placed it down inside your build area, you can hit E to craft and repair. That will repair your stuff, but it will also allow you to craft blocks. Blocks are the materials you will use building. Some of the basic ones, such blocks as rough stone block, rough wood block, stuff like that. You'll gather more as you gather more materials over time. Some of them are nice here. But for now, we'll select some rough stone blocks and some rough wood blocks. Not too many. It requires stone and wood for those. A lot of them require stone and wood, or stone, sandstone, etc. Alright, and before it gets too dark, it's quite dark already. We have some light from the flame altar. We'll go ahead and build out here. Press tab to go back into building mode, and now you'll see that it's blue instead of red, which means we can place it inside the radius. Have the materials. You can press Control and scroll to select a different material. So here we're selecting the wood instead of the stone. And if we want to select a different shape, you can press the Alt button and then scroll to select the shape or press the number we want. So let's do a foundation piece here. Alt to select the type and then scroll to select the one you want. Place the foundation piece right here. Perfect. And then we will place a doorway. So I've selected 4 for the doorway. This will need to be rotated. So all you do is hit the R button. And it should snap into place. It's aligned pretty well. This is going to be a very basic little shack building. Just to show. We're just looking to place it where we want and looking to find the spot we want. We're a little low on blocks, so we'll switch over to the stone here. We wouldn't usually do this. Pretty tacky, but we're just showing build. And finally, let's scroll or select the, that's number 7 here. And just go ahead and place that there, and voila. You have yourself a little square shack. Nice and simple, but you can expand upon the idea. That's pretty much all there is to it. After that, it's mostly just finding the ingredients you need for new materials and learning build methods. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer or help. And I hope you have a good one. Good luck building. I hope you get some really awesome structures. You see my tower there. It's a little unfinished around that part there, but for the most part, nice little ivory stone tower. I quite like it. And it's got a nice rebuilt cottage-like house here. Very nice. Share your ideas in the comments if you want. I'd be happy to hear any cool ideas. Something maybe I could try myself. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.